Look, most guys, I would say, walk around at a 10 to 20% of their full potential of how good you could actually look. And to fully unlock that, there's certain things that you want to implement in your life to fully max out your attractiveness, starting with the most important one. I'm starting with the hardest one. You gotta go to the gym. Look, I'm gonna be blunt with you. You cannot be attractive and fat at the same time. Every time somebody sees an overweight person, all you're thinking, that man has no discipline, he can't control what he eats, and clothes doesn't fit right on you. Bro, when you are overweight, and if you're overweight, you probably are relating to this right now, it is so hard to find clothes that fits because most manufacturers aren't designing clothes for you. You're not the bulk, you're not the average. You need to go to the gym, mainly for your health. I want you to live a long, healthy life, but secondarily, to max out just how good you can look. When you're athletic and fit, bro, I promise you, you can walk around in jeans and a t-shirt for the rest of your life and you're gonna look attractive. This takes me to number 2. Practice breathing through your mouth. There are tons of studies on this. A guy that I love to hear talk about this, his name is Andrew Huberman. You can go watch him, he has podcasts and stuff like that. But the man's a neuroscientist. He talks about this all the time. The most important thing is the recent studies that have released, that have come out talking about when you breathe through your mouth, which is what was intended to, you develop better facial structure and certain muscles in your face strengthen. The reality is that most of us, you don't even realize that you're a mouth breather that weakens your jawline muscles and gives you that oval round shape that you don't want. So practice breathing through your mouth during the day, and during the night, there's been tips to actually even tape your mouth, something that I'm about to start doing that will not only allow you to sleep better through the night, but also further ingrain that habit of wanting to breathe through your nose to strengthen your facial muscles. 3, stick to basics that fit right. When it comes to clothes, and you've probably, look, I'll wear a designer here and there, but 97% of the time, you'll see me like this, bro. Basics. Simple, no crazy colors, no crazy patterns, no crazy logos. If you just find basics that fit right, you're good. That's how easy it is for the man. I believe so hard in that ethos. I have been practicing it with our brand Essentials now for what, 5 years? And right now, bro, Essentials, if you go to the site, it's all sold out, so I'm not even gonna give you a discount. Like, everything's pretty much gone. We're unlimited inventory. But right now, for this year, we're gonna change the game for Essentials. I wanna drop the hardest pieces ever. And I want every season for you to have a great selection of basics that fit almost any body type to ensure that dressing well for men is simple, it's easy. And now you have pieces that will last you the next 2 years, the next 3 years. This new collection dropping April 1st, bro. I brought in 3 designers. I brought in a girl designer, Camila. Yo, she crushed it. I'm gonna be honest with you. The pieces that she designed for women, if you got a girl, you gotta hook her up with these pieces, man. The pieces are immaculate. I already know I'm getting my girl like the whole set. I brought Nav. I'm sure you've seen him on TikTok. The dude's style is on point when it comes to street style. Again, the pieces, the vision that the man had when we were working together, making sure we're designing essentials for men. Yo, this stuff it's game changing. And then we brought in Trey. My guy is crispy, bro. My guy, his suits, his tailored fits, forget about it. I want to say that his collection gives me almost like a Brunello Loro Piana feel, very luxe, especially for summer, bro. His pieces are a home run. We have a total of 45 pieces, individual pieces, dropping. This is the greatest thing we've ever done, and it's going to sell out. I'm going to be honest. Look, all their audiences combined, it's like 6 million followers plus our large audience. I want to make sure you guys get first dibs. You already know pro members get first dibs before the launch even happens. So I want to make sure you guys that might not be pro members don't miss out on what will be the hardest collection of the year. I want you to, right now, grab your phone, put a reminder, bro. You got a month. I'm giving you a month in advance right now. Put a reminder, April 1st, 10 a.m. Eastern. You want to be the first one there. You want to get ready, bro. I'm telling you. This is a home run for you, for your closet, and for the rest of your year. These pieces, bro, max out your looks. Put a reminder on your phone or click the link down below. You can also subscribe to our mailing list. That way you don't miss it. 4, force the beard to grow. I cannot stress this enough. I do not care if you cannot grow out a beard. You force that damn thing to grow. And if you can, you should be rocking a beard. If you can grow out a beard, you're good. Grow that beard out, keep it trimmed, the whole 9. It's gonna make you look better. If you can't, You already know, bro. You have the derma roller. You have essential oils that are natural, that have no side effects that you can be using. These are scientifically proven to help your beard grow. We have them on our brand, He Grew Me. If you want to use something that's even more impactful that I've used in the past, minoxidil. Bro, you can get minoxidil on Amazon, the 2%. It'll be like $15 for a set. I promise you, you use minoxidil on your face for about 2-3 months, you will start growing facial hair. Number 5. Create a masculine V shape. You will do this 2 ways. One, with the gym, like I talked about in the beginning. The ideal chest to waist ratio for a man, if you can get over 5 inches, you're good. If you can get over 10 inches, in other words, like your chest would be like 43 and your waist is like 32, so you're in that 11, 12, 13 inch drop, you get defined V shape, bro, you're great. This is what you want to do. So again, you build that in the gym. Once you do, you highlight it with your clothes, bro. And I'm going to be honest with you. Some of the pieces that Trey designed that are like extremely well fitted, bro, not only do you look expensive, you highlight that V shape. And that V shape for man is just ultra masculine. You look more dominant. You look stronger. I promise you, you'll max out how you look. Which ultimately takes me to number 6, right here. It's all mentality. Know your weaknesses. Know that you're in control. Focus on change. That's the mentality you want. The reason most guys are losers is because they lie to themselves, right? So they'll look at themselves in the mirror. They know they're fat, right? They know they need a haircut. They know they need to change their style. They know they need to fix their grooming because their skin's messed up. But they don't do it. They don't want the consistency. They don't want the work of having to do and put in all that effort, so they lie to themselves. Oh, I'm okay. Oh, it's not bad. Oh, I just need to be charismatic. Oh, I just need to work on my personality. No, you don't, bro. You have to change your mentality. You have to know that you are in total control. So when you see something you do not like, that you know you can fix, that's within your grasp, you need to adapt and change. You need to put in that effort and be consistent with that effort. For example, you see you got acne on your face. There is a solution. You're not the only one that's battled acne. Whether you want to go to the dermatologist or start simple with a skincare routine. Whatever it is, it's going to require commitment. And the problem with most guys is they'll start their skincare routine. They'll do it for a week. They'll notice their skin getting better, and then they start dropping off. Then they do it every other day. Then once a week. Then once a month, and then they stop their routine. You need to be consistent with the gym, with your grooming, with your style, and I promise you, you will max out how you look.